Dear friends, let us now consider one more interesting example. Here I have written a structure and the question, which among the four options, which one is a better site for protonation? It was there, the question, in one of the exams, AIPMT. Nowadays it is NEET, NEET. Very important question. Protonation means free H plus ions from any dilute acid. It can be dilute HCl or dilute H2SO4, large amount of water, small amount of mineral acid especially. Free H plus ions from acid are available. It is written in the form of, if it is dilute large amount of water, it is written in the form of H3O plus normally. We will use this simple H plus ion. Now, H plus ion as per the options, nitrogen, here one hydrogen is present, not shown in the question from the paper actually, and one lone pair is present on nitrogen. One lone pair is present on nitrogen. Two lone pairs are present on oxygen. And here is one carbon-carbon double bond. Protonation is possible here. Protonation is possible here also. Protonation of carbon-carbon double bond also we have considered. So, that way it is possible here also. And all cannot be the answer, because among the various possible, which one is better? Now, I will just explain one and you can follow and give a hint for second, then by following the logic you can cover the third. If protonation takes place at this oxygen, let us consider one at a time. If protonation takes place at this oxygen, means H plus from acid, and out of two, one lone pair take part, what we get is this. Hydrogen, lone pair, pi, out of two, one lone pair, and H plus from mineral acid, protonation and therefore positive charge here. If protonation takes place there, then what we get, the species I have written, it gets stabilized by resonance. Out of these two, the one which is pi, if it gets shifted here, this pi will get transferred here and this lone pair can get transmitted here, giving rise to a resonating form which can be written in this fashion. And one more lone pair, out of pi bond gets transmitted to oxygen, means the positive charge will get vanish, and one more lone pair is developed. The pi gets transmitted here and the lone pair on nitrogen gets transmitted here, and therefore positive charge is developed on nitrogen. So, because of protonation, hydrogen comes in the form of H plus ion. If it protonates oxygen, the species which we get, the positive charge which is developed on oxygen, this lone pair if it is shared here, this pi goes here and pi goes to oxygen. So, positive charge is now transferred or gets transmitted to this nitrogen, means it gets decentralized over so many nuclei. So, this form is stabilized by resonance. Instead of this, if protonation of this nitrogen in this structure, if it is considered, protonation of nitrogen if it is considered, H plus ion from acid, plus charge will be developed on nitrogen. Here is a double bond. If this lone pair and free H plus from acid, if it gets protonated, then the extra stability because of resonance is not possible. This pi cannot get transmitted here because empty orbital on nitrogen is not at all available. 3 bond pairs and 1 lone pair, sp3 hybridized nitrogen, and the lone pair also becomes a shared pair. To accept this pi electron, empty orbital which should be there is not present in nitrogen, and therefore, resonating form after protonation, further resonance after protonation of this nitrogen is not possible for this case, and this was possible for this case, and therefore, this one is more stable than this. So, if we apply this logic here also, if it gets protonated, the carbonium ion which will be developed on one of the 2 carbons will not result in the resonating form like what we had considered here. In one resonating form, the positive charge is on oxygen, and in the other resonating form, the positive charge on nitrogen, symmetrically opposite. So, this is the most stable. This one will come in middle and least stable. So, this is how again resonance, the knowledge of lone pairs, protonation, whatever we have studied is of use, and such type of question can be answered. So, the answer here is this oxygen. Interesting.